Okay guys, let's have a little brief into actual bass lines, jungle bass lines in general. I'm going to go back to the Akai S950 days, right? So just to give you a little bit of a recap, I have sampled stuff on my Akai S950, yeah? And when you sample at a high recording level on the Akai S950, the actual analog clips and it gives it some definition. So I'll give you an idea what I mean. I've got here, say, a 808 kick, and that 808 kick was sampled onto the Akai S950 and then resampled back into Renoise, and I got some different results. I tried stretching it, I also tried just recording it straight, and most of the time when I recorded it, it was quite saturated. Now what you hear there is the actual 808 drum stretched in the Akai and then reversed, and it gives you this kind of cool sound, similar to what I did in that Stamina track. Similar to that, yeah. Also we got an 808 distorted. This is with a clip to level on the Akai S950, which is also quite fat. Another one here, similar effect. There's this sound here as well, and also this is a straight 808 bass kick. Now listen to it with a bit of S950 processing. So that's a bit of high saturated recording level and reversing it as well. And finally we've got this one. And how I got that one was I turned the record frequency down and also the D level on the actual time stretch down to 0 as well. And it gave me that kind of gnarly sort of sound. Okay, so that's a little bit of a trip into a few jungle basses just so you can check it out. Let's move on to the next part of the video.
Moving on to the drums.